Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are anything like I used to be, the word budget makes you cringe. Spreadsheets, tracking every coffee, feeling guilty for a night out. Sound familiar? People see me talking about money all the time, and I assume I live in Excel hell, tracking every peso, every expense category, like my life depends on it. But here's the truth, I don't budget anymore, not a strict one anyway. And guess what? My finances are stronger than ever. Today, I'm sharing exactly why I stopped budgeting and the one mindset shift that changed everything. If you've ever started a budget on January 1st and abandoned it by February, this video is for you. Stick around. By the end, you will see why restriction isn't the answer. Intentional living is. Hit that like button if you've ever ditched a budget, and let's dive in. Let me take you back a few years. I was in my toot. I have a job here in the Philippines, but money always felt tight. Bills piled up. Savings? What savings? So I did So I did what everyone says, no? I started budgeting, apps, envelopes, zero-based budgeting. I tried it all. Month one, awesome. I tracked everything, felt in control. Month two, life happened. A jeepney breakdown, that's 5,000 pesos in repairs. I didn't plan for it. Then a friend's birthday, just one round, right? Suddenly, I'm over in food and transport. By month three, the budget felt like a prison. Every no to something fun made me resent it more. I'd sneak purchases, feel guilty, then binge spend to feel better. Classic restrict and splurge cycle. I did this for years. On again, off again. Each time I quit, I tell myself I'm just bad with money. But deep down, I knew it wasn't me. It was the system. Budgets work until life happens. A flat tire, a family emergency, one tough week where you just need comfort food or a distraction. Then it all crumbles. And when it does, you don't just abandon the budget, you abandon the hope that you can ever get ahead. If that's you right now, you are not alone, my dear subscribers, viewers, and supporters. Most people quit budgeting not because they are lazy, but because it feels punishing. So, what changed? It wasn't a new app or a stricter plan. It was one simple question that flipped everything. Instead of asking, how do I control my spending? I started asking, why am I spending at all? That question forced me to look honestly at my life, not just the bank account, my whole life. I sat down one weekend, no distractions, and asked, do I actually like this job? Or am I just staying because the paycheck is safe? Am I happy where I live? Or am I paying rent for a place that drains me? What future do I really want? Freedom, travel, time with family, or just more stuff? Those hard questions brought clarity. The negatives, the job I tolerated, the lifestyle that felt empty became fuel. Suddenly, saving wasn't about deprivation. It became the default because I saw what spending was costing me: time, energy, options. I realized most purchases didn't add real value. They were distractions from a life if I wasn't fully living. Okay, the new system, observation plus monthly review. Here's what I do instead of a traditional budget. First, I make saving automatic and non-negotiable. A big chunk of my paycheck goes straight to savings, investments before I even see it. pay yourself first. It's a game changing. Then I spend intentionally. No categories, no limits on fun money, just awareness. Once a month, usually the last Sunday, I do a quick review. I pull up my bank credit card statements and ask one powerful question. Did this purchase actually add value to my life? Not was it under budget. No, not did I need it, but did this money make my life better? Did this make my life better? More joyful, more connected, more free. That's new gadget? Probably not. It collected dust. Coffee with a friend? Yes, deepened the relationship. That weekend trip? Absolutely created memories I'll carry forever. Over time, things reward my brain. Minimalism kicked in naturally. I started valuing experiences, freedom, and time over things. Most stuff, it just didn't matter. A few things mattered a lot, and freedom, having options, not being chained to a job or debt, mattered more than anything. Now, I don't avoid spending because the budget says no. I avoid it because I value my time, my options, and my future way more. Fast forward, no more guilt cycles. My savings rate went up without trying harder. I built an emergency fund, started investing, even took calculated risks like side hustles. But the real win, peace. Money stopped being a source of stress and became a tool for the life I actually want. Imagine this. Instead of stressing over every peso, you are calm because your default is building wealth. Spending only happens when it truly lights you up. That's freedom. Not from money, but through it. If you are tired of the budgeting roller coaster, try this. Stop restricting. Start observing. Ask the hard questions about your life. Make saving the path of least resistance. You will be amazed how little you actually need and how much more you can have. So if this resonates, here's your challenge. This week, don't start a new budget. Instead, do one honest review of your last month's spending. Ask that one question. Did this add real value to me, to my life? You might be surprised what you discover. If you want more on financial minimalism, mindset shifts, and building wealth without burnout, subscribe and turn on notifications. Drop a comment in the comment section. Have you ever quit budgeting? What happened? Thanks for watching. Remember, it's not about controlling money, it's about controlling your life. Your future self is watching. Make them proud. Peace out. See you in the next one.